Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be checking up on your May energies. Let's see what energies are surrounding you now in May coming up, and how you can use this reading to have a beautiful month ahead. So these are general collective readings. Libra will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Libra gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin. Welcome back. All my subscribers, thank you. Thank you for all your support. And of course, if you're new here, Libra, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. 9 of Cups, bottom of my deck, Libra, for you. Wish fulfillment. Isn't that a beautiful, beautiful overall energy to get for a month? Wish fulfillment. 6 of Wands, victory. But I forgot, I must take a Ganesha oracle card before I start doing your reading, because you know I always start the new month with one. So let's see what Lord Ganesha is going to bless you with in the month of May. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra, Lord Ganesha. Beginnings. New beginnings are coming for you, Libra, it seems. It just says beginnings. Lord Ganesha is blessing you with something brand new and a new beginning, it seems. Okay. And then we started out with the victory card here as well, Libra. Let's see why this card is here. So 3 gorgeous cards already out for you. Beginnings, victory, and wish fulfillment. Why is the 6 of Wands here, Spirit? Oh, all right. You want to end something which was troublesome to you, Libra, now. Maybe you had some conflict with something or somebody. You are looking right now. This is your current energy. You're wanting to have victory. Not just victory, but complete happiness. This is 10 of Cups is what you're heading towards. This is what you want to be victorious in. Having stability, happiness, emotional growth. This is how you're feeling right now. This is what you basically want to end anything that was disruptive in your life. Move out of any troubled times or negativity or end fights and move on to a calmer and happier place in your life. You're seeking complete victory going into the 10 of Cups. Wish fulfillment. 9 of Cups, 10 of Cups. That's on your mind. Okay, so let's see what happened in the recent past. 10 of Cups again. 10 of Cups again. What is this, Spirit? What's this 10 of Cups in the recent past? What happened with the 10 of Cups? Something which made you very, very happy, Libra, in the recent past, I think got a little imbalanced. What happened, Spirit, in the recent past? What happened in the recent past? What happened in the recent past? One more. Recent past, Spirit, for Libra. My God, I don't know what to say to your reading, Libra. Something which gave you a lot of happiness in the recent past. Maybe you envisioned or had this 10 of Pentacles feeling with a certain situation. Maybe this could have been, a job, could have been a relationship, whatever. You were excited about it. You were excited about it. You did want to take action regarding pursuing this 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles, but something kind of became unbalanced. I don't know what happened, but you haven't given up, it seems. You're still kind of trying to gather more information, or maybe that's why it became imbalanced, because you wanted to gather more information before you took, that leap of faith or whatever you wanted to do with this connection. And yes, you haven't given up hope even now. Even now, I see that you are whatever became imbalanced, whatever got into conflict, you want to leave that conflict behind. You want to still find that victory and move towards this Ten of Cups. So let's see, are you going to get it now in May? What's coming up for May for Libra? King of Pentacles. Wow. Why is the King of Pentacles here, Spirit, in May for Libra? One more. One more. Libra, you are making a choice here. I think you've accomplished most of your goals here, but there is something from your past, something that you have very fond memories of. You're still kind of wanting to fight for something from your past one more time. This is that one thing. I think you've got it all. You've got your stability in order, or maybe you're feeling good about yourself, but there is something. This could either be with children, or it could be something or somebody from your past that you're still kind of wanting to fight for it one more time. This gives you a lot of stress and tension, but you are quite sure that if you fight it, you can take back power, you can take back control and bring something back into order. Something that became imbalanced in the past. You're not one to kind of give up that easy in May either, Libra. You're going to be working hard towards finding that something back from your past. I don't know what this is. What's Libra holding on to? Oh, Libra, you're holding on to this feeling. No wonder you're not being able to manifest something to get rectified. Maybe either you felt abandoned by something in the past, or maybe you left somebody out in the cold in the past. There was a feeling of lack here. And because of that feeling, Spirit is saying, you're still holding on to this. That's the reason, even though you really want something, you really want to take back control, you're stressing about it as well in May as well, I'm seeing. You're wanting to fight for it, you want to give it one more shot, but this kind of attitude you'll have to get rid of. Don't hold on to this feeling anymore in May. Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Six of Pentacles. Either there was some cheating, lying behavior that was done in the past, which maybe somebody needs to talk about. Maybe there is a question of sending that message or receiving that message, or taking that baby step to rectify something to do with, this could have been in business, you never know. Maybe somebody cheated their partner or something, they could be in a relationship, and because of this kind of behavior, something that could have been a brand new beginning kind of ended up feeling abandoned, left out in the cold. Spirit is saying you're still holding on to the pain of that. Instead of holding on to this feeling, why don't you hold on to this feeling? And take back control and do something about it. Because it clearly makes you very happy, but all you're doing is putting yourself into a self-imposed prison and overthinking the situation, not opening up. So Spirit is saying it's time now to let go of this kind of, you're holding on to this of if I do this, this will happen, if I do that, that will happen. Spirit is saying instead of that, why don't you just take that leap and say what you have to do. Take that baby step forward and see what happens. What should Libra let go of, Spirit? Let go of being defensive, of always being guarded, of always protecting yourself. Look at this fortress that is around this person with all their wands. Maybe all the past hurts are what is circling your heart right now and have created a fortress, not allowing anyone else to enter, and not allowing this person also, Libra, if this is you, to leave this caged place that you find yourself in. So you have to let go, bring those barriers down, bring those walls down now, Libra. Why should Libra let go of the Nine of Wands, Spirit? Because that's going to keep you always stuck in the same place of the Five of Pentacles, of feeling left out, abandoned, out in the cold. Nobody cares for me. No, I'll never have enough. It's time to let go of this. It's come out twice now. This is what you're holding on to, right? Five of Pentacles feeling, and this is what you should let go of. Five of Pentacles. It's time to now release. If you want to find this Ten of Cups again and this Ten of Pentacles energy back again, this was an imbalance which came, yes, but it can be rectified by your own behavior. So let's see, what's going to be Libra's biggest blockage? The Nine of Swords. This also came out here. See? What is Libra holding on to? Nine of Pentacles. What's going to be Libra's biggest blockage? Nine of Pentacles. Overthinking, overstressing, self-imposed prison of your mind. You have to release this energy, Libra, because it's not serving you. It's not taking you towards what you truly desire. So how do people see Libra, Spirit, in May? The Lovers. Why do people see Libra as the Lovers in May? They see that you need to make a choice. You need to make a choice, maybe between options, maybe third parties, I don't know. Other people around you are saying that Libra needs to make one decision which they are not making. And that's what's leading to all this confusion, to have a good working relationship going forward. Libra, other people are noticing that, you are stuck in your head, you have your blindfold on, you're pulled in many different directions, and you are just not making that decision. And hence, because you don't know what to choose from, maybe you have different things that you're putting your mind in, you're not making one decision, which is going to lead you to that healthy place of having a good partnership or a good working relationship. So Libra, this indecision has to go in May. Let's see what Spirit's secret messages for you. No wonder Lord Ganesha gave you the card of beginnings. When you begin with, one focused mind. That's what Spirit is saying. So, courage, strength is Spirit's secret message to you, Libra. Why is strength here, Spirit? Why is that your secret message for Libra? Yes. If you want luck on your side, Libra, if you want things to go smoothly, have a brand new beginning, you have to put an end to this back and forth energy. Should I not? What should I choose? Should I choose that? Spirit is saying, if you want to have a smooth, running, if you want luck on your side, if you want the wheel of fortune to move in your favor, it's time to be strong. You have to make that decision. You'll need courage for that. Spirit is saying you have it, except that your mind is taking over your life. You're overthinking things. What else, Spirit? Secret message for Libra for me? Yes, not being able to reveal what's in your heart. Oh my God. See, this is the kind of feelings that you have in your heart, Libra. Something that makes you truly very, very happy. But what happens is you hold back. You hold back from expressing what you truly desire. You can have this. This is available for you. This is the happiest card in the deck for you, Libra. It's time now to express instead of holding back or giving mixed signals. Do I want it? Don't I want it? Should I say it? Should I not say it? Should I do this? Should I not do this? So that's what I have for you, Libra. If you want that fresh new beginning, it's time now to get out of your head and into your feelings and drop the swords. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.